You know what, in the morning time, it depends. Like most of the time I like quiet. I like peace and quiet. I don't want to hear nothing. Cause I wake up early. I wake up before everybody. When I wake up like 10, I need some music to help me get the going or whatever. I'm up. Well, as you know, this is not a typical morning for me because first off, I'm at home, I'm in my bed. Secondly, we're quarantining right now because Corona, AKA Coco, I don't like her. I don't like her. She came and she stopped my tour. She's stopping everything. I don't like her. I can appreciate my time being home. And as you know, I just bought my home, so it's not what I would like it to be right now, but I'm gonna take you and show you my morning routine. Like, let's go. First thing I like to do in the morning is check my phone, right? Because I gotta see what's going on in the world and make sure I don't have a new rumor about me or I'm not trending on Twitter. Yeah, I'm clear today. That's my first thing I like to do. Then I check my text messages, right? I go to my text messages and then I check my emails. Most of my business is in my emails, but all my friends and family is in my text messages. You know, so I gotta get up first before I go get to the business. You know what I'm saying? I sit here for a minute and I like to look out my window and look at the water and gather my thoughts and stuff. So then I change and put on something more comfortable because I'm gonna go downstairs with my family because my brothers and sister and my mom stay here, so this is what I change into. This is my comfortable gear to walk around the This is how I run. This is where I brush my teeth at. I love natural daylight. Like, it's something about natural daylight and water and sun. This is my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and I go to work. You gotta say your ABCs twice. So I say my ABCs twice. I gotta brush my teeth. And this is what I use all for my skincare. It remove surface of oil, makeup, dirt, and all that. So I like, for me, at least the first layer of skin, this is what I use to clean off all the makeup off my face. For my moisturizer, I use this. And it's just perfect because it keeps me moisturized throughout the day. This is what I use to exfoliate. It's organic. Everything in this is natural. It's almost gone. Normally, this is where I go in the morning time. I like to go into my shower. I like taking showers in the morning and I like taking a bath at nighttime. Now I have time for myself and I really appreciate it. So it's just getting to know me, and I like to make music about the things I'm experiencing, what's going on with me, and what haven't I talked about that I really be going through, but I haven't noticed it because I'm always on the go so much that I haven't tapped into it. So you know what? My creative space has been very, very active right now while I've been on quarantine. So here's my towel rack right here. My towel rack is a heated towel rack, so it heats my towel before I actually get out the shower or whatever. So my towel is heated when I get out. And I put on my towel and I go for what I know. And this is where I take my bath at nighttime, because it's more relaxed. It's dark. I can turn my chandelier on and just relax, you know what I'm saying? So I like to take a bath at night. I love flowers and perfume and sunlight. So like my tub, I keep it filled with a lot of perfume and flowers and stuff like that. See, I like it to be real peace and quiet, because if you hear my birds, they be talking to me. Listen. I love this shit. It's so cute. It's time to eat. Okay, everybody got the kitchen. And so most people drink coffee, tea. I mean, you see the tea cups? It's so cute. But it's not for me. That is my mom. She's into that. Me, I prefer water. My favorite is Fiji, but right now my sister went shopping. Wasn't my mom, and she got me this water. But however, it's better than coffee or tea for me. For me, this is not. I just don't like that. I like water. Okay. What I do normally to stay fit, I just make sure that I eat very clean. I drink a lot of water. See, that's what I use instead of tea and coffee. I like the water. I like to be clean. And I like to work out a little bit. I go in there and use the dumbbells for 15 minutes, do my arm curls, and, just to get my blood running. I come down here and do this with my pajamas on because once I put my tracksuit on, I go out there and I go run. Now I'm done with that. Whew, that was light work. Barely broke a sweat. It's cute. So I'm gonna run in today. Get some socks. Go outside. Get my run on, my jog on. I might catch my girls outside, but I think I'm late. Oh. Whatever. If I'm late, I'll catch them tomorrow. We normally meet up like around 11. I'm just gonna run. What's up, Elle? I'm about to come out and jog. I gotta go. I ain't got time to keep talking to y'all. I appreciate you guys for coming to hang out with me. I had a blast. Thanks for waking up with me today. Make sure that you guys stay safe. Make sure you practice hygiene. That's the whole problem here today, okay? And I love you guys. I love you, Cash Brats. I love you guys so much. Y'all have a good day.